noodles, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thank you as always. This is Pamana Champorado. I've had this for a while. This is a chocolate flavored rice porridge. I know, it's not ramen. Ha ha ha. But you know, you'd find it on the ramen aisle. It's an interesting thing. I thought I would, you know, do what I do, magic it up a little bit. So now I pour in the ricey porridge. I don't really have anything to go with it. I don't know how I would garnish it. It shows like a swirl of something on top, but I've not any swirly. So I just got alerted by our correspondent in North Little Rock, Arkansas, that there is a huge outage right now. Possibly, what do you call it? The hackers, the hacking folks, and that's by it. But AT&T seems to be unplugged. Hopefully that got fixed. It's February right now, so hopefully where you are, that error has been fixed. And yeah, but he got a text message from, he's got AT&T, saying that his that like all their 911 services are down, and 911 service via AT&T is nationwide jacked up, I guess. That's crazy. But you know, if you were able to see this right now in February 22nd 2024, I know it's almost July for you. Happy almost 4th of July. I would tell you, don't have an emergency. Unless you really want to, but you're going to have troubles. What you'd have to do is have an emergency and run outside and go, emergency! And that's what you would do. Man. I don't know what it is. I think it's just our weird weather. It's still winter. And we're about to have, like, I believe it's going to get up to about 60 degrees today, which is very seasonably out of the norm, but kind of nice. But on the same deal, did I turn that off? There. Now I've turned it off. The other side of the stick, it causes allergy season to start early. It also makes the frogs start going buck wild, as it were, extra early. So they might all of a sudden start, you know, doing their froggy dance. And then we might end up with, which I believe is going to happen, we have a 60-degree day today. Tonight you'll be able to open the deck and you'll hear the frogs screaming. But Monday, there's a chance of frozen mix, so it might get really, really cold, which is not good for a chini de pepe. So and those are frog eyes, aren't they? That frog eye noodle pasta, as it were. But yeah. So if you're a frog, just stay put. Just stay put. Don't screw around. We'll see. I have a frog I can ask about this. I actually do. Yeah, he does. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I can make that noise that makes it talk. Yeah, that's what oh, you drink too much last night? Oh.
I mean, I live up there on top of the arcade machine, and it, yeah, I've been kind of on mothballs for a while, and yeah. So, if you've got a frog, don't, yeah, I don't know.
I'll just let you talk here. You just do your thing, man.
Yeah, so I had a great job in the tech sector, and it, you know, I got a drinking problem, and I drink a lot. I mean, a lot. And well, that's what happens when you're a frog that drinks too much. You know, I mean, I got arrested downtown, and they put me back. They put me back in the pokey, the Hooskow. Yeah. Don't be like me, kids. Don't do it. I used to work on cheese products, and now I just can't anymore. And yeah, so you wanna come back and talk some more?
Yeah. Okay. Well. Yeah. So, what about the temperature?
Oh yeah, the eggs. Yeah. Yeah. I don't lay eggs.
You don't?
No. I'm a dude.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah. Oh, looks like your deal's going on, so I'm gonna get out of here. But yeah, nice seeing you, and yeah, eat your crap or whatever. All right, bye.
So that was our guy there. Not having a great day, but you know, he drinks a lot. God. He lives up there on top of the entertainment center. I was thinking of just getting him a padded something. This stuff smells like chocolate cake. Like, really smells like it. This is like literally the first actual food, I think, I'm having today. Look at that. That's vicious. Well, I've stirred it. It's thick. It has the thickness of like melted cake frosting. So let's give it a try. It's interesting. It has a very strong cocoa scent. Cheers. Mmm. Well, that's weird. It did not all hydrate the way it should. It kind of has the consistency of lumpy, I mean, it's always going to be lumpy. What is going on with this thing? There, that's a little better. It's got this consistency of lumpy chocolate pudding. It's not bad. There you go, look at that. Isn't that the first thing you want to have in the morning? I'm trying to think of what to add to it. It's really not horribly bad. It's not horribly good either. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I really don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What am I going to do? So there you are. I mean, that's what you get. It's pretty good, I think. Lakeside, California, for sending that over. Always a pleasure to try new things, and that's indeed something you might find on the ramen aisle. So if it's something you want to try, keep an eye out for it. It's by Pamana. They make Filipino stuff here in the U.S. for the Filipinos that live here. So this next one came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is a Kuta cup. Kuta means I'm full, and this is from Japan, and it's a carbonara flavor one. We'll see, folks. Kind of got an interesting set of varieties today. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy meat your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.